I'm going to be going through the Yonomi app, which helps you control your smart devices. It's an app I've got on my iPhone. I believe you can also get it on Android devices as well. But yeah, let's go into it and let's have a look at what Yonomi is. So here we have the app, and some of the settings or routines I've already got set up. You get some of these set up by default. Let me show you the supported devices. So I'll just flip. I won't read these all out, but obviously Amazon Echo, you can integrate that in with this as well. Some smart switches, motion sensors, net cams, Cree connected LED bulb, Honeywell thermostat, some jawbone things, I'm not sure what they are, LifeX light bulbs, Harmony hub, Nest thermostat, the Nest Protect smoke detector, the Philips Hue light bulbs, and Sonos smart speakers, and that is the full list. So click on done. So let's have a look at what we can do with this. So if I click on things, this will show you all of my things that I've got connected with this. So I've got my Amazon Echo Dot, my LifeX bulbs, and my Logitech Harmony hub, and you can also use date and time, your location and notifications to trigger activities as well. If I click on routines, here's some I've got set up. So you've got all lights off, all lights on, arrive home, one I called bum jobs, just as I was testing this. I'll show you that later. Then what else I've got party time and TV time down at the bottom. Recommendations, this will give you recommendations on different apps or routines that you can run on this. And routines, let's create a new one, and I'll show you how that works. So routine name is test, and I can add an event. So let's have a look at that. So I can say if the date and time or location is, I can use that as a trigger. So if I say when I arrive home, and then I could go on and add another event. I arrive home and the time is, I can put a time in there as well. I'm not going to do that on this instance. And in fact, I'm going to delete these two because I'm not going to need them for what I'm going to be doing. Okay, now I can add actions. So what action do I want to do? So I'm going to say living room light, turn on. Brightness, let's put it on full. Now once I've done that, I can do another action. So living room light, set the color at brightness. I'm going to change the color to red at 100%. Then I can add another action. So again, living room light, let's pulse alert with color. The color I'm going to do is blue at 100%. Let's just check those settings. Cycles, let's do that. Oh, it's set for 10 times by default. You can increase that or decrease that. Let's add another action. Let's say Harmony hub, start activity. I'm going to use watch TV. That'll just turn my TV on. And then another action. Let's do living room light, and let's fade out for 12 seconds. And then I can add but only if. So only if. So I'm going to bring one up. Okay, I need to have an event before I could do that. So let's just add an event in quick. So location, add condition, but only if it's the weekend, for example. So I arrive home at the weekend, it will do these actions as I've put there, so I can demo it later. I'm just going to remove these, I don't need those. Okay, now once I've done that, all I have to do is hit save, and that's it, my activity is there. Now for using this with Alexa, I just have to say Alexa start test, and that will work. So but one thing I have to do is go into my Alexa app and tell her to discover things. So let's go into here, smart home, discover, wait for it to go through this, and then we should find my new Yonomi action, or my routine is discovered on this list. And here we are, test. So it's all set up and ready for me to control with Alexa. And there you have it, that's Yonomi, and I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Alexa, turn on test.
Okay.
How can you be 43 seconds quicker? That is, you're a third quicker, basically.
And let's turn on my TV as well. So there you have it, Yonomi. It's really powerful. It does things that IFT doesn't do, as in multiple actions on one triggered event. Things I don't like about it is there's just not that many things integrated with it yet, but I'm guessing over time more and more will get added, and when it does, that'll become my app of choice. But for now, due to the tons and tons of things supported by IFT, I'll probably be doing most of my applets or routines, whatever you want to call them, using that. But Yonomi is really good. It's really powerful. And if anyone from Yonomi is watching, please add more integrations with it. Thank you.